Hello, my friend. Today we are going to do the letter V. We're going to learn what it looks like and the sound that it represents. So here's an uppercase V. It has those diagonal lines. So we go diagonal down and diagonal up, and then we've made a V. So uppercase V is tall. It goes down and up. That's how we make an uppercase V. A lowercase v is just shorter. Look, just takes up a little bit less space. We go down and up. So the way we use our pencil is the same. It's just that the uppercase V, I'll go back to it, it's a little bit taller. And we'll learn more about handwriting lines soon. So let's try it together. We go down, up. Same thing with the lowercase v. Let's try it again. Down, up. There's our V. This is what the letter V looks like. Here's how you can make it with your body. This one's kind of cool if you look at it, because when I look at it, it kind of looks like a line from this kid's fingertips all the way down to the toes, and then toes up to the fingertips. Can you make this with your body? You have to squat down to the ground. Give it a try. This is what a V looks like. Now we have the sound. To make a V, we want our teeth to touch our lip. V, 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 v. It kind of feels like my lips are vibrating, which also starts with V. V. You push air out, but you keep your top teeth on your tongue. V. Try it with me. V. So here are some things that start with the letter V. I wonder, can you think of anything before I show you some pictures that starts with V or the letter V? This is a volcano. You can say it with me. Volcano. Here is a vase. Do you know what this kind of clothing is called? This is called a vest. Ooh, I bet you know the word for this kind of food. These are vegetables. Try it with me. Vegetables. Do you know this instrument? It's called a violin. And now we have our card. So remember, we say the letter, the picture, and then the sound. So the way we say this is V, van, v. Try it again. V, van, v. So the letter V says the V sound like van. V, van, v. And here's how we do it with our hand to make it in sign language. It's just like holding up two fingers. Kind of looks like the letter V if you look at it. So here's my diagonal down, my diagonal up. That's the letter V in sign language. And there you have it. We are done with the letter V. We know what it looks like. We know the sound that it makes. And now we're ready to do some practice. I'm super proud of how hard you're working. Keep it up. See you soon.